Hi guys, my name is Harley Steele, and I want to talk to my insurance professionals out there today. I have created a new YouTube channel to help insurance professionals with how to use a service that I've been using for a few years that can help you get repeat sales, increase referrals, get new leads. And I'm going to start off, I'm going to do a series of videos. So one of the things I ask you to do, this is a brand new channel, and I aim to give you value. So you can also comment on something else you might want to know about. But I'm going to do videos on different parts and features of a service that I promote as an affiliate and use personally. And I know that it can work for you because I have insurance customers using it. This thing is amazing. It's called Mailbox Power. I'm an affiliate of this company, and I want to show you around over a series of videos. So stick with me. Stick with me for these videos, because even if you decide you don't want to use it right now, I'm here for you when you need me. You can reach out to me on a phone call, a text. I'll leave my number. I'll leave it right now, 757-645-8978. You can text me so I know it's not a spam call, and let me know you want more information, and I'll get right back in touch with you. But right now, what I want to do is take you into our system and show you how you could get leads. So today I'm going to talk about how you can target highly qualified leads, the type of leads you want for your insurance niche. So you're going to love this, because would you believe if I told you these leads are only going to cost you 10 cents each? That's it, 10 cents each if you're a member of our service. So I'm going to take you in. Let me share my screen. And by the way, if you would, to help me grow the channel, because as I'm recording this video, the very first video, I would have no subscribers right now. But it's not because I don't know what I'm talking about. It's just because I'm getting into YouTube as a way to get the message out about this service. I have insurance agents using this service. I have realtors using this service. I have a lot of different professions, but I made this channel specific to help insurance professionals. So this is your channel. Share it with your insurance professional friends, or anybody for that matter, because they'll be able to see the value too. So here we go. Let me hit share screen, and let's go in to this system. Okay, so what you're looking at is the home screen of my account. And when you come in here, you're going to see a lot of things that we can do. Now, I should have told you up front, what is Mailbox Power? Mailbox Power is a customer engagement platform. And this platform allows you to follow up, stay in touch, appreciate clients. What's the lifetime value of one of your clients? How much are they worth to you? Sending them a birthday card maybe every year, or maybe even a small gift with a birthday card. How much would that mean to your client, and how good of a feeling would it be to them to receive that? And how many people would they tell about what my insurance agent does for me? I will tell you that I hear testimonials all the time about the shout outs people get, our customers, when they use this system. And by the way, you can set this stuff on automated, so that even though it's highly personalized and they're going to receive it, they're going to feel special that you sent it. Oftentimes people are going to call you or text you or shout out to you on social media and say, "Thank you so much for the gift and the card." And you'll be like, "Oh, okay, yeah, thanks," because you have it set up on automation, but they don't know that. Now, I'm not going to share that part of it today. I'm going to save that for some other videos. Today, I'm just going to jump into lead generation using our tool for that. So I'm going to go right here on the front page here. It says find qualified leads. And we're going to do what we call a list builder. This is the tool we use. We're going to create a custom mailing list based off of the criteria you want. I could actually target individuals or businesses. So if you're an insurance person that targets businesses, you can do that as well. But I'm going to choose individuals. And then I'm going to go into geography. And I can choose a zip code, a city, a county, a state, or I can do a radius around an address. It might be a radius around your business address. You can target that down to as small as you want. It defaults at 2 miles, but you can take it further out. So you could, target an area right around your business if you want. So let's just say I'm doing a zip code. I'm going to do my zip code, 35758. I'm in Alabama. And there's 18,597. If you see over here in the right corner, 18,597 people in my zip code. Now, this is all kinds of people, right? I'm probably not going to market to all of them because I want to get a targeted lead of the type of ideal client I'm looking for that I think wants to see my offer. So I'm going to go ahead and choose demography tab. And I'm going to start scrolling down all these choices and narrowing down this 18,597. So let's see. If I was going in and I wanted, if I was wanting to target people for homeowners insurance, for example, I could hit homeowner or renter. I could hit single family dwelling. I don't really care how many years they've owned it. In fact, I might want the brand new homeowners, right? I might want to get in front of them with an offer. Income level, if I'm somebody that wants to target higher income net worth folks, I can do that. But everybody that owns a home, and let's just choose homeowners only instead of renters, everybody that owns a home needs homeowners insurance. So that narrowed it down to 12,368 single family dwellings that are homeowners in my area. So now if I wanted to keep going down and I only wanted to target, market to women or men, it just depends on what your offer is for your insurance, marital status, age, ethnicity, whatever you want to target and get people in front of, you can do that. Education level, personal interest, and you go down here, maybe you want to target people, if you're in the Medicare insurance industry, this category is going to be great for you. Turning 65 years old, you could target when they're turning 65 years old, and you can get a specific market down to that zip code for that if you want it. Okay, so home value, home purchase price. If you're offering something that has a special thing for veterans, you could choose veterans in the household. Let's go on further down here, veterans in the household. If you wanted to target a certain type of business professional, you can do that. Credit rating, if you've got a reason for having someone that has a good credit rating for whatever your niche is, you could choose that. Net worth, again, you could choose someone that has a certain net worth, and you just scroll on down, right? So this list is 12,368. And for purposes of narrowing this down, let's just go ahead and choose a credit score of 700 plus. Let's see what it updates up here in the right corner. 8,621 people with a 700 plus credit score. They own their home, and it's a single family dwelling, and they're in my zip code. So I'm building all of my selections right over here. I can delete any that I want. I can continue on down, age of home, all of that, right? So 8,621 people in my zip code. Maybe I don't want to market to all of them, so I could choose just a portion if I wanted. I would have to buy at least 100 leads minimum. That's only $9.95, guys. That's 10 cents a lead. But let's say I wanted to grab and just market to 500 of those folks on that list. $44.90 to buy that entire list of 500 people in that zip code, and I will have that list immediately within an hour downloaded into my Mailbox Power system and ready to go to start prospecting my offer to them. So I want to take you real quick and show you about that. So this is the list builder. You can see there's a lot of ways to target exactly what you want in there. But now let's talk about automations. So we have prospecting campaigns for the pre-designed for insurance agents that are fully editable. Okay. We do have, look at here, insurance category, right? So here's going to be some types of cards for insurance. These are kind of designed for your relationship marketing way, a win back campaign. But we want prospecting campaigns, right? So let's see what we got in that category. Let's go to the design catalog and let's click over here, the insurance tab. Now let's see what we got. Look at this, a Medicare prospecting automation set up, and you can design this thing. Let's look at this. You can design these 3 cards the way you want. You can change anything in here to what you want, but I want to put your attention right here on this first name field. You have choices: Harley, Bob, Mike, Steve, Mary, Jane. Guess what? All of those people's cards will be individually personalized to them. You don't have to do a thing. All 500 of those leads on your list will have a personalized card. That grabs people's attention when it has their first name on it. It's one of the favorite words for people to hear is their first name. So this system puts it right there on it for you. This is a 4x6 postcard, which is free for our pro and executive members of Mailbox Power. So this is the front of the card. Let me show you the back of the card. Let's see, the back of the card. So, hey, Harley, hello, Harley. Medicare options can be confusing, so let us help you find personalized answers for all your Medicare questions. And then it goes on. Now, guys, check it out. This back of the card, this is a pre-designed message. If you like it, this card's ready to go. It's gonna auto-populate your information in there for you. But if you want to tweak it with your offer, make it your what you want it to say, everything can be changed. You can add a photo of yourself. You can add a QR code. All of that. This is fully customizable. So that was it. This is a 3-card campaign set to go out immediately. The first one, the second one, any time frame you want. It could be every week, every month, however you want it to go. That card is ready for you to go. Actually, I think this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like 6 different cards to go out to prospect to. If you were doing Medicare. So let's go back. Let's see, make sure I hit the right back button. And let's go on back to some other prospecting things here. So here's one, turning 65, another Medicare one. Look at this one. We got your 6. If you want to do auto insurance for veterans, you can take this card and you can put an offer in there that is targeting the veterans. Need VA auto insurance? This is all editable. We got your 6. If you know anything about the military, you know what that phrase means. We got your 6. We got your 6 means your backside, right? We got your back. It's the way the military says, I got your back. We got your 6, right? So because we use, something at your 12 o'clock, at your 3 o'clock. So that's what that means. That card, if you looked at the back side of that card, it would say, hey, Harley, you served us. Allow us to return the honor. At Bob's Insurance, we've always got your back with competitive offers, flexible requirements, and attentive staff. It auto-populate your profile logo there or your headshot, your information, and this card is ready to rock. Okay, so that's an offer that you could do. Let's go back. You've got life insurance card here. This is a drip campaign, right? So this has 2 cards that go out that says, hello, Harley. Do you have the life insurance coverage you need? Inside, this card says, dear first name, do you have life insurance? And it goes through the message. Everything editable to change it the way you want. Here's the back side of the card that you could put your logo, your branding. Backside of the card's a perfect spot to put that. All right, let's go over here and let's look at the second card. Would you like a policy review, Harley? That's the outside of the card. Inside the card, the whole message going through that offer, right? So you would make this offer, specific to what your offer is. All right, guys. So this is a pretty cool system, man. It really allows you to take charge. And I want to point out something, guys. If you're email marketing, we're not suggesting that this can replace all your other marketing, your traditional advertising and so forth. But direct mail prospecting and marketing has a very high effective rate right now. It still outperforms a lot of other marketing methods. For example, emails on average get opened about 11% of the time. About 11% of the time an email gets opened. Most of the time it gets deleted or it's just left in there and never read. But a card that's personalized with their name on it, if it's packages there with it too, it has over a 90% open rate, guys. And it's physical, it's tangible. People still like to look at that, believe it or not. Okay. So lots more. Don't roll the dice on your health insurance. If you're doing health insurance, here's a good one. It's a health insurance campaign. And we add more all the time. And by the way, you can make your own. If you've got your own designs right now, your own offer, you want to make your own cards, postcards, you just import them right into this system and you're good to go. I often do that with Canva. It's a great system to use to create your own card. Sorry to hear about your accident. I mean, think about this. You've got somebody that is insured with you already. This is more like just a relationship thing. So I'm going to venture into that just a second. What happens if you send that to them after their accident and you just wish them well and so forth? I've never had an insurance agent do that. How cool would that be to your clients if they receive that in the mail from you? You talk about something awesome there. All right, so I'm going to wrap it up, guys. So I talked about the list builder and how you can use that and how powerful that is. And then that list comes into your system. You choose a campaign, you tweak it, you make it your own, and then you start prospecting them for a very affordable rate. My name is Harley Steele. I have developed this page for insurance agents and brokers. If you want a personal demonstration of this system, let me get off this stop share for a second. Here we go. So if you want a personal demonstration from me, just give me a message on text, 757-645-8978. If you have an office of agents and you think this could be used for them, reach out to me. I can set up a live demo with our CEO of the company, and we can do that live for you. It's pretty powerful. He gives out free gifts in those things to people on the call, just about usually everybody on the call. So that's pretty cool. And it allows them to see it with no strings attached. They get to decide whether they would like to use this or not. And if you're a broker or an agent with an office or a team, and you want to get the system and start using it, and then you want to get your fellow agents to use it, then we have an amazing referral program. That referral program will give you back 40% of every subscription of anyone you refer every month. So within 3 referrals, you're not only having your subscription paid for, you're putting some money back in your pocket, which is great for marketing, right? You could actually make a marketing budget out of this. This system can pay for itself. So my name is Harley Steele. Thank you for taking the time to watch this. I'd like to build this channel for insurance professionals. I have more videos I'm going to record over the series of the next weeks, and I can't wait to share more about this amazing system with you. If you want to do your due diligence and look at it on your own before you contact me, you can go to mailboxpower.com/Harley. The reason I ask you to put /Harley is because I'm an affiliate. And if you want to give me the credit for taking the time to make this video to show you this and refer, give me credit for the referral, I would greatly appreciate it. That's how I get compensated, is by doing this time and effort to help you. I would appreciate that. You could also go to my personal website. that I've developed myself. It's called harleysteel.com. It's more like a digital business card, but it's a website. So it's harleysteel.com, HARLEYSTEELE.com. And on there, you can actually reach out and contact me. We can Zoom together from there. We can, you can go on there and look at testimonials from several people. I've got a whole testimonial page on there. And there is a 24-minute recorded Zoom presentation by our CEO that is very informative about all our features. So you might want to check that out too. And if you want to get a sample, I have a thing on there that says my gift to you. You click on that and fill out the short form, which is part of another part of our feature that you would have if you had an account. And boom, I'll send you a nice little sample gift and card for your time. So again, my name is Harley Steele. Help me grow this channel and get more people, exposed to this system. It's amazing. It's called Mailbox Power. I just freaking love it, and I hope that my passion doesn't spill out so much that it's obnoxious. But I love the system. Anyway, thank you. 757-645-8978. That's my number. My name is Harley. Thank you for your time, and please subscribe, and we'll see you soon.